if you are a beginner and you are looking for a very simple strategy to trade, like a simple strategy will be able to give you profit easily, then you want to learn this strategy called the CRT strategy. Now I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works. Take a very close look at my screen. For a buy, okay, what you need is just two major candles. You need a very long candle, then you need another smaller candle that what weak out the previous one. You see this week here, when I see this week, so see how this one, I see how this week now, see how it weak out this other one, right? Then it also what closed inside of the previous candle. This is what you need. Now this is the 4 hours time frame. You're going to be doing this only on 4 hours and then 5 minutes time frame. Now, which means that you only trade every 4 hours. Only trade every what? 4 hours. So now what you want to do is, once you see these two candles together, wait for the entry of a new candle or the opening of a new candle, and then you enter from the opening of that new candle like this, and you put your stop loss at a very safe level like this, and then drag all the way. Your TP is going to be all the way to the top. It's as easy as this. That's how you enter the trade. So now I'm going to drag all the way to the 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and look and check out the trade. And if you can see very clearly, we were able to hit TP all the way from this level. Now let's try out another example again. Now I'm currently on the 4 hours time frame again, and then I'm going to be scrolling down to look for the same pattern again. Yes, this is another pattern again. So let me draw out my lines. All right, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to draw from the wick like this, then the wick of this one. Then all I'm looking for is very simple. I need a candlestick to close inside and then wick out the long candle. You see this long candle? I want this one to wick it out. Remember, there must be a wick and then it must close inside. And once it closes inside, you enter from the opening of the next candle, which is this one here, and then you put your stop loss at a very safe level, and then target the top of that previous candle, and you hit TP over and over. This is the most simplest strategy called the CRT strategy that anybody, even a beginner, can easily do. Now let me tell you something you want to avoid. You see this one? Was there a wick on this candle? No. So which means entering this kind of trade is very wrong. Because why? This candle is not long enough, and this one, it does not require a wick. There was no wick here, that this one would have what swept out the liquidity off. So let me look for another perfect example. Now take a very close look at this one. Yeah, and yeah, see that? Then I look for what another candle, which is this one, and wait for it to wick it out. Simple. Once you wick it out, then you enter your trade all the way to the downside. Now it will be better if you look for a market structure shift on the 5 minutes time frame from this area. It will be much more better and easier. But remember, this strategy does not work 100% of the time, but it's going to give at least 80% winning rate every time you use the CRT. If you want to learn more, make sure you just comment, learn more in the comment section, then use the link on the bio and reach out to me. I'll be willing to teach you more. If this strategy I taught you gave you value, don't you think I deserve a follow? If you are looking for a community that can help you turn your $10 to $100 or more by using free daily signals, all you have to do is to use the link on my bio and be part of the Telegram community absolutely for free, and then you can be cashing out on a daily basis like us. But if you want to go beyond just free signals and you want to learn how to be a profitable trader by yourself, all you have to do is to DM me directly via the number on my bio, and you can get access to my course, or you can enroll for a one-on-one mentorship program. I'll be glad to assist you. See you inside.